How to check Wells Fargo ATM withdrawal limit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check Wells Fargo ATM withdrawal limit. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for wellsfargo.com. Once opened, log in to your Wells Fargo account and select Card Details option. Next, call the number on the back of your Wells Fargo debit card, or you can also visit a Wells Fargo branch and speak with a teller. You can also increase your ATM limit with Wells Fargo. If you need a higher ATM withdrawal limit, you can call Wells Fargo or request an increase at your local branch. The banker may ask the reason you need a higher limit as a part of the eligibility screening process. Other factors Wells Fargo considers when determining your eligibility for a higher ATM withdrawal limit include the following. The type of account you have firstly, next your account history and activity, and your current account balance. You can also change your ATM limit with Wells Fargo. To request a change to Wells Fargo ATM limit, call the bank's customer service or go to the Wells Fargo branch and speak with the banking representatives. So, this is how you can check Wells Fargo ATM withdrawal limit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.